Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 3rd of October 2022, and this is my chart breakdown for today. A little recap from last week, Friday, where the market was around here, where the market had this floating candle on AUD USD, where I said it was giving series of seller's exhaustion, and was giving some type of higher low. So I was expecting it to go a little bit up, but it seemed like this level was not broken. The level was still holding sway, and as such, we might still see this market drop a little bit down. We see the market push up a little bit because I got in that small buy for around 20 pips. I think, yes, it was around 20 pips. I got around 20 pips before I closed for the week. Then we saw a bearish push. Now we do see that this low that I said I was going to expect the market to break before I become a seller, the low has been broken. You see buyers exhaustion up top. If we go on the daily time frame, we see a bearish close. What that means, if we check the monthly, we see a healthy bearish monthly candle, and as such there is a high potential that we'll have another bearish month. But this month is just starting, so we'll see some type of support in the AUD market. So what that means, we might just see the market push a little bit up, but on the long run, we do know where we are. Overall, we are in a bearish market, so we look to capitalize more on the sales than the buys. So how does that what does that mean on the chart? Now we see that we have some type of support here, where the market found some support here before. Want to know if the support will still hold. You can see that the support is holding here. I want to see a healthy bearish close past this support. If we see that healthy bearish close past this support, then it's a good confirmation that this support is broken. We might push the market lower to new lows. First it might be 63,500, which is give or take 70 pips away from where we are at this moment. So we might see a retest of the 6400 first, which is around 25 pips from current market point. So that's AUD USD. We might see a bearish push, but if this low is still holding, a bullish close back into this level, and we might just see this market push back up to this level that it's failing to break. So there is this level here, there is this level here. This level is not important. So if there is a bullish close back into this level, then we might just be buyers back into this fray. If there is a sell, there is a bearish close below this level, then we are sellers into this market. Simple. USD CHF was around here, where I said we might just see a bullish push. We saw that bullish push, but I also said if we saw a bearish close below this level, I would be looking to take sales. We see that bearish close, and there's a high potential of this market dropping low uh, because of the daily, the weekly, the monthly. But still, we have to recognize that the month is just starting, so there might be a lot of support in this market. So we might see a little bit of bullish push, but overall, we are still bearish. Looks like this Fibonacci is done. And if we are going to draw a new Fibonacci, it will be from here to now. The market has some kind of support there. So no, that's not it. This is what I'm looking for. So we might have some kind of support here. So that means we might see some kind of bullish push if we adjust this like this. There might be some type of confluence in this market. So I'm going to take a lot of time on this chart breakdown because today is Monday and it's the first of the month. So we might see new points that we want to see the market touch. So we've adjusted a new trend line, the trend line. So we might see a confluence in this market where the market comes up to touch either of these points, either this point here. So the market might just consolidate to that point, hit that point and drop. Or we see a bullish pushback because as of this moment, if we're looking at it, this low is not broken. We have a bearish and a bullish. So this low still isn't broken based off of this support here. But based off of this support, the low of this support is broken. So we might just see the market push back up to retest this point. So, but as of now, this low is being held, and as such, want to see how the market will fare when it comes back into this level. If it's going to close healthy, if it does close healthy, then it means there is a bullish potential of this market going long. Then if it's more of a buyer's exhaustion, then the sales might continue. So that's USD CHF. The market was around here where I said if I saw a bearish close below this level, we'll push it down. But because we went on the daily and that level was not seen, the level that I said looks like it's broken, which was this level, was not seen on the daily. As such, it might mean that this level was holding and we might see a bullish push back into this level. We do see that after the market came back into this level here, you see that bullish candle there, and we see a bullish run of things. So what do we do? On the weekly, there's a bullish candle that has buyer's exhaustion, seller's exhaustion. So this is a spinning top, but I will take it as some kind of bullish doji because it closed above this level. Monthly closed bullish also. So more like a bullish spinning top, but still it's a bullish candle, almost like a bullish doji. So the daily has closed bullish, so we might see another bullish candle. If today closes bullish, then there's a chance that it might go up. If it closes bearish, then we are still stuck in this level being tested. So a lot of things will happen this week. So there's a non-farm payroll on Friday. There is OPEC Plus meeting this week. Uh, there is a lot of things going on this week. So we'll want to see how this week would um, fare as the data are being released. So that for USD CHF, we might keep seeing this market keep pushing up. Or if you go on lower time frame, you'd see that there's some type of resistance that is holding. If we see a bearish close below this level, a good or solid bearish candle closing below this level, then we might see how this market will push lower. So that's as simple as that. So it might just keep pushing higher. If we go on lower time frame, we'll see reason as to why we'll keep being buyers in this market. If we see the reverse, a solid bearish candle closing below this level, then we might push the market lower. Crypto, BTC is still stuck in the consolidation. We want a close above this level or below this level. As of now, it's showing that the sellers are present in this market. If you draw a trend line like this, we have a break of the counter trend line, meaning we might see sellers in this market. The sellers might drop this market further down to 18K, 17K, and maybe 16K. But all those price points are only valid if there is a break of 18,500. If there is no break of 18,500, then we are still stuck in the consolidation. Same thing with ETH. ETH is showing the consolidation, but the sellers are present. If today's candle closes bearish, then the confirmation that the sellers are right in this market because there is a break of the counter trend line. So we want to see how that will fare. So there's a break of counter trend line, a first bearish close below this level. We want another bearish close below that level. If it does that, fair enough. Fair enough, then we'll have a break of that daily zone. If it does not, then we are still stuck in that consolidation. We can just box this market here and see how it looks on the daily. So regardless of whatever is going on, today's candle might be a deciding factor as to if this level is broken or not. If it's broken, then we would expect the market to push lower. If not, then we are still stuck in this consolidation. So that's that. Thank you guys for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Follow on all social platforms at King Alxnda. Ask questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye.